Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is how to play background sound on Mac like rain sounds and other ambient noise with background sound on Mac. Follow the below steps to turn on background sound on macOS Ventura or later macOS update. Open the system settings from the top Apple logo and click on Accessibility Settings. Now, find the audio settings. Under the background sounds section, enable background sounds to toggle to start the default sound. To change the background sound type and level, here is the settings. Click on Choose option. Might be your Mac required an internet connection for the first time if won't play and save offline. Click on Choose option, Balanced noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean, rain and stream. Here's the slider for background sounds volume level. Next option is turn off background sounds when your Mac is not in use, which means turn off background sounds automatically with lock screen and screen. Saver modes. That's all about turning on and turning off background sound on Mac. There are no alternate settings or shortcuts to manage background sound on Mac from the control center or top menu. Don't miss to subscribe for future updates and new tips. Also, comment for more help.